Welcome. In front of me is a Honor View 20, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. Now, to get started, you will need to hold power key and select power off. When the device shuts off, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time, and keep holding it till you see the Honor logo on the display. And from here, we're gonna tap on the last option, safe mode, and simply wait for the device to boot back up into the desired mode. And you can see that we're now in safe mode. The watermark is visible right here, and in this mode only the essential apps are working, and everything else that would normally start it's not starting anymore. And that is so you can test if you have some kind of problem with some malicious app messing around with your phone, or if it's just something to do, for instance, with your device being broken. And yeah, so that is how you access it. To leave this mode, you'll have to hold power key, and this time around simply tap on restart. Once the device is back on, the safe mode watermark will be gone and the device will be back in normal mode. And you can see that the message is gone and the device is back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.